I'm looking at the area in one of the pasture zones that the sheep continue to leave. So I came to check on, see how we are improving our fencing so they don't escape as much. So this is the area. It's wooded, and they like to go down in the wooded area. But here where we have been putting wood, we're gonna add more fencing here so they don't escape into the wooded area. Because once they get down there, they are able to go onto my neighbor's pastures as well. So fencing, having good fencing for sheep and goats is so important, and it's a different type of fencing than you have with cows. So we're gonna have to use the quads, which are like 4 square, as well as the pure alambre. We use both to make it really sturdy. So I'm gonna go down a little bit further. Well, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And my sheep really help me do that as they graze the pasture and fertilize my land. So here's another look at where we're putting the fencing. And this is all the way along the wooded area. And some people think that, if you have wooded area, they won't, the sheep won't go in or the goats will go in, but they will just stay there. But no, they browse. So we're going to put it all the way along here and eventually right in front of the apiary, which is down below here. All the way down to the apiary. So they will not be able to get into this wooded area. It is nice. There is some water down here. So that is nice when they do go into the wooded area. But until I can figure a way to secure the wooded area, we're going to just keep the fence more in the pastured area. ¿Se puede cruzar aquí a la pozo o no? Okay. Antes sí, pero no sé, es mucho hierba, mucha. Okay. Bueno, thanks for watching.